Good morning, everybody. This is Mark. We're back here for T3. It is Wednesday. So yesterday I was saying we're due for a day of rest across the board. Some stocks didn't rest. Others took a little bit of a haircut. I was saying if they touch their key moving averages, whether that's the 10-day, the 20-day, I think it's going to give you an opportunity to get involved. And some of them did. Some of the financials, the FAS, have been moving down nicely 3 days down. To me, that's an opportunity. Yesterday wasn't the day that you were going to get paid on the idea. Yesterday was the day you actually get involved in your prices. And today seems like the day that you'll get a little bit reversal, minimum at the open, and we'll see if that's resumes some of the uptrend that I think we're in overall. Some standouts yesterday, certainly Google, unbelievable. Apple, did close above 702, 701. This morning it's still above 700, but it's down a little bit. Lots of rotation. Some of the oil stocks, came down to key moving averages, bounced off their midday. I think that's probably the sign that they'll hold the key moving average, which is the 20-day, most of them, and try to at least regain some composure on the upside. Again, 3 quiet days down in some of these stocks to me is a viable opportunity, and that's what I look for. And today, I think you're back to refueling, looking for those opportunities, looking for those stocks that have taken a day or two of break. I still don't think it's going to be a crazy market. I think we're still in that contained uptrend that's viable on pullbacks. And we're in much of the same action we were the last few days. 1-2 more days of this, and then we get an uptick, and then half these stocks are going to be back at new highs. Some of them already are, i.e. Google, Apple. Some of them still aren't, but could resume. Possibly Amazon, LinkedIn hit a key moving average yesterday, bounced. The leadership stocks are really should show the most strength, and even the financials. In my opinion, could wallow around here for a few more days. But I think anytime there's a decent pullback on the dips, which Citigroup and Bank of America have done decent pullbacks, and even Goldman a little bit, I think they're viable. So this morning, much of the same. I think you're going to get more upside to this tape. I think you just got to figure out where you want to be, and you got to pick and choose your opportunities. A few ideas that I'm looking at. I think FCX is interesting from a commodity standpoint. I think some of the banks, I like Citigroup. I know we've been talking about MCP. People have been talking about. I think at some point you're going to get that day where it tries to fill that gap to 15. I think it's 1590 actually. So certainly keep that on the radar. And I think LinkedIn actually, knowing that it hit its 21-day moving average, looks pretty good to me. I did take it overnight. We'll see where it's at this morning, and we'll go from there. So overall, guys, stay with the plan. Buybacks are pullbacks are viable. Couldn't figure out that one. Pullbacks are viable, and until something changes, I think that's the plan of attack. I think that's what you have to do. I don't think it's going to be a crazy day today. I think you just got to be very selective. So good luck.
Hi, I'm Scott Redler, Chief Strategic Officer for T3 Live, and I would like to invite you to join us on October 6th and 7th in New York City for our first annual T3 Live Active Trader Super Conference. The 2-day event will focus on what we believe to be the 5 keys to being a successful trader. We will teach you the strategies, tactics, and mindset we take to the market every single day, and you will leave the Super Conference with a personal step-by-step success blueprint. Visit t3live.com and click on the education tab on the top of the page and watch preview videos of this event. Seats will fill up quickly, so be sure to reserve yours today. My colleagues and I look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.